This is the second part. Remember the first one with the suction to the patient is clear now, but we need to clean the cannula. Remember? Then this is the equipment. You needed the biohazard bag, the tray for the tractor cloth, two pairs of gloves, the clean ones, and the steady gloves, and the normal setting. The number one we need to do, just we try to protect the patient. Okay. We try to protect the patient. Then we try to prepare the equipment. Okay, we try to move it a little bit the patient over there. So we need the space. And then the biohazard. The biohazard bag. We open, then sanitize the hands. Sanitize your hands. And then we try to open. Open. Let's see what we have in here. Remember, this is the drape. The drape it is one they have it either one have lines, but we never know. We know they have the 1 inch around the square we touch. You see this half pound, the shiny part? The shiny part just gonna touch the table. Okay? Then you see the supplies, but you see no compromise, nothing about the steady field. You hold the paper in between your hands. It's the same like we did the dress, the chain dressing, but different supplies inside. Look at this here. Then we come in here, and then we go ready to put it. You see this part? It's very hard to put it. Just squeeze. With the fingers, I sanitize my hand clean. Just I pick this one, and then I put it here in the sides. The same. Look at it. I no cover. I not touch nothing. My steady field. This is my normal saline. This is the name of the solution, expiration date. The same. We did just we try to clean. We put it a little bit more because we need to wash, rinse, and we clean outside. Okay, a little bit outside, but we don't need a lot. And we leave it this in here. Now with the clean gloves, we try to put the clean gloves. Remember the patient have the oxygen on. We wear the clean gloves. Okay. With the clean gloves, we have to remove the inner cannula. Squeeze the wings, squeeze, remove, and then we put it here in the first one. With the same gloves, we remove the dressing, the soily dressing, and then we put it up, and we try to cover with the oxygen. Then we remove the gloves. Remove the gloves and sanitize our hands. Sanitize your hands. Then we have to, you see this space? In this space I put it for with the gloves. With the gloves, you open. The farther you first, remember. Sometimes you can take it this one like that. Remember this 1 inch around the square you can, but if there's no, it's very good. It's better not do. Look at this. The gloves. Whatever size you want to just wear, just make sure that there's a steady procedures. Protect the gloves. It's a little bit more big than my size, but I'm gonna try to work with this one. With the 4 fingers, put away your thumb, okay? And then just try to work with this one. Now with your gloves on, leave it this is no problem with that. You don't need the tie, just leave it the same because you don't change it. But you count how many you have. 1, 2, this is 3, 4, and this one don't have a dressing. This you can do with this one. Remember I told you you can do this one here and put in the neck like B, like that one. Okay, we leave it this in here. But you have it the brush. You have it the clean pipettes. This is the red 3. Sometimes they keep bring the 3 Q-tips. The 3 one you can use it for clean outside, but this case we don't have it. We try to use it with the 4x4. Then now we have the most fast we can do. Just see, hold it with the wings. Rip is just watch it inside, back and forth, and then clean outside. Remove all the secretion. Maybe the cannula have a lot of secretion. You have to move it. And then when you finish, discard this to the biohazard and then rinse it. Rinse it this one. Get the one 4x4. Okay? And just dry. Sometimes the gloves have a powder. You can just protect the cannula with the 4x4. You see the pipets, this one, you have to put 3. Just go through and then just back and forth. If they give it to 2, you can use 2. They give it to 3, you can use 3. But you have to just dry very good inner cannula before you put it back. You see the patient can breathe. Look at this. 3 to 4. One more. Then when that's dry, you see this one. Just try to not touch the tube. Just touch the wings because you need to put it back. When you put it back, you see the pinky. Remember the pinky finger. This is the presentation. You have to put 6, 9. This is 9 to 6, and then just push the cannula. Just be careful with that. Just try to do carefully with this one. Sometimes you can hear the clip for the wings, but in this case, no. Then put mask back to oxygen to the patient. Now, we don't have the Q-tips, but we have this one. You remember we used this one for remove the secretion. We needed those 4, rinse the inner cannula. With this one, we clean outside. Just dip in this part. Look at this. This is the plate. The plate. Don't leave this out. Just hold it for clean. You have more supplies. You see a lot secretion in here. You have to just use a lot supplies you have. Just clean, and discard it. Get another one. Squeeze, and just clean again. Okay. Just clean. Then get another one, and just clean the skin, because we don't have the Q-tip. Remember, we cleaned before with Q-tip, but we don't have it. And then we have, you see, look at this. And this part, we try to move this on the side, and we try to just reach the skin. You see, no space for clean. Don't try to leave the plate. Just leave it like that. Hold it. Just clean most you can. There are the other procedures too. They say clean the stomach, but that's a little bit different. And we'll talk later about that. But just clean, and then just get another one just for dry. Okay, dry everything. You have to dry everything. Okay. Then you see. Remember when I said you have it too, because we don't have the dressing. We removed one. You will have 2 of this one. This you have to put it here. You put it here. You bring too close to the stomach, and then the other one. You have to put it here for the stomach. Just protect this one. Okay, like this. And then don't forget, with this one, you have one more. I don't have another one, but you have to clean inside. Remember, clean, and then get another one for dry. Just clean the secretion over here, and clean very good, and dry inside. And after you dry, you have to just put it on the patient. And this is that we change up the inner cannula with the cleaning. Then remove the gloves. You want to finish to assist to the patient, just put sanitize in your hands, wear the clean gloves, and leave the comfortable position to the patient. Maybe you need to bring down the bed or sit a little bit the patient. This is up to the patient condition. Okay, this is for tracheal suction. Clean the cannula.